Did you know that you can use variables while writing DAX in Power BI? But why would you really want to use it? Variables help simplify complex calculations. You can store intermediate values using variables and then use them for calculations. Let's look at an example to understand how to use variables. I have this relational data set. In the sales data table, I have created a column called sales which calculates the sales value for each order. And I've also created a measure called total sales, which is a total of this column. Finally, I have created a simple visual where I've added the product names from the products table and added this measure total sales. Now we need to create a measure that helps us finding out the total percentage contribution of each product to total sales. I will call this measure percentage sales. I will declare a variable using the var or var keyword. Variable name is without any spaces and I will call it all sales. Let's assign a value to this variable. Calculate. For expression, we will use the measure total sales. And for filter, we will say all values from the sales data table. All will remove all the filters and therefore will give us the total value of sales. We will use this in the denominator while calculating the percentage. Close the bracket for calculate. Define a new variable percentage sales. The value of this measure is total sales divided by the variable all sales. That's the calculation done. Now I will write return to indicate the value I want to return from this measure. And I will write just percentage sales, as this is the value I want to return. Now I will bring this measure to the visual. And I will see the percentage values. I can format this measure as percentage to improve the readability. Now let's see what is happening. As the measure is calculated, the measure total sales is impacted by the filter of the visual. For each row, this measure only filters the value for the product in that row. Whereas the variable all sales contains the total value of sales, as it uses the all function to ignore all filters. And therefore we get the percentage values. So as you can see, variables make it so easy to perform calculations. Here is another example where I've used variables to calculate the top product and sales value for the top product. Go ahead and take a look. Bye for now.